All right. So, as the title of the stream suggests, we are trying to fix this chat box. Now, you may be wondering what's wrong with it. Well, if you look at it in that corner of the screen, it says sign into chat. Now, I don't know about you, but OBS should not need to sign into chat. OBS should not be chatting. Now, does OBS chat? I don't know. I don't know if it chats or not. Do I use it to chat? Well, I don't chat with, like, I don't, like, if I type in the chat, I do it through OBS. But that's not OBS typing, right? So, I don't know why OBS is getting a message saying that it needs to sign in. Because OBS should not need to sign in. So it's got to be something in the custom CSS. There's got to be something that can fix that, right? And I couldn't really test things out while being not on stream. So now we kind of have to do this on stream. And yeah, this is kind of the only way I can test it out, is by doing it live. But it's not a huge issue. Also, the way, okay, YouTube kind of moved a lot of stuff on the stream dashboard kind of thing. Like, they moved a lot of stuff, and I don't think I like that, because it was a certain way for a while, and now they just moved a bunch of things around when they didn't really need to. Like, all the settings are all over the place now, and it's just kind of a mess a little bit. So it's kind of whatever. But yeah. All right. So first thing we're gonna Google is exactly what it says: sign into chat. So we're gonna Google OBS. No, we'll Google YouTube OBS. Why does it say sign into chat? Sign into chat. Let's see. The sign into chat message in OBS when trying to display YouTube Live can occur for several reasons. A glitch in OBS, a connection issue with YouTube, or a misconfiguration in OBS settings. To resolve this, you can try the following steps. Check for hidden or undocked chat. Well, it's not docked. Or, well, no, it's on one of the things, so it's not, so it's there. It's not, or not blocked is what I mean. Like, it's not hidden, it's there. It is visible. Should I hide it and re-enable it? Okay, let's try that. Let's get rid of the chat, and then docs, chat. It's back. And it's there, but it doesn't say it's there. Let's see. Connection issues, software glitch, profile / scene changes. If you recently imported a new profile or reinstalled OBS, it might reset the dock settings. No, it's not a dock issue. Is this a new thing? Like, is everyone having this? Like, was it an update or something that's like messing up? Should I close OBS and open it again? Like, okay, let's try refreshing it. Okay, no. It's clearly not working. Alright. Let's search how to get rid of it. YouTube OBS. How to get rid of the thing that says sign into chat. How to get rid of the thing that says sign into chat on the OBS chat box. See things from 2020. Why does YouTube Live pop out chat suddenly say sign into chat? Wait, is this it? Dude, it's always this one post on Reddit, bro. Always. The post was deleted and anonymized. Why? Why do people always delete their posts? Dude, at any time there's like one thing, there's like that one random thing. I'm gonna show you the custom CSS won't even work if it's signed to chat. What? Right click on the window and select interact. Just let you log in through the OBS screen. What? Right click on the window. What does that do? What window? Wait, hold on. Inspect. Interact. Oh, don't, no, no. Well, I might have just found the issue. Hold on. No, that doesn't even do anything. All right. Wait, I didn't even enter it. Dude, it's not even. I can't even click on it. Interacting with browser. What browser? Nothing. There's nothing open. OBS, are you trying to log into my Google account? Bro, OBS is not a computer. It's a software. How are you supposed to be logging in on your own? Oh my god, I have to refresh it now. Okay, now I think it's just broken. I think I just broke my thing. Alright, I'm gonna have to grab the chat link again and then redo this. Properties. No, now it's broken, bro. Dude, I can't even click on anything with it. It's not working. It's just stuck on the sign-in page. Let me check something for a sec. Yo, why is it like this? Why is it just not working or anything? Oh my god. Bro. Can I type? No. Typing's not, doesn't do anything. Did I just break the chat? Like, I think I just broke it. Refreshing doesn't do anything. What if I do that? And then... Okay, I managed to pull it back by typing in a wrong letter and then putting the right letter back into the code for the chat, or the link for it. But like... Dude, this thing is just not... Alright, let's try interacting again. Dude, interacting with it doesn't even work. Wait, why is it not working now? It was working before, but not now. Bro, oh my god. This is so cooked. And on a different page, it's interacting. Dude, what page is it even interacting with? Okay, restore chat. Dude, this sucks. Refresh cache of current page. Interact. Dude. What? It's just simply not working. Interacting with browser. You know, you're not interacting with browser because that browser doesn't even exist. Oh my. And select interact, I think that's what it is, and show you log in through the OBS screen. You should be good to go. Bro. Why is this like this? YouTube live pop chat saying sign into chat. YouTube live pop out chat. OBS, how to get rid of saying sign into chat. Make the live chat transparent. Yeah, I already, oh my god. Bro, there's no way. It's so not working. Properties. Bro, reset cache. Page permissions. Read access to OBS status information. What does that even mean? Let's say no access to OBS. What happens then? Okay, let's say no access to OBS. Does that work? Does it work? I don't know if it does or not. Oh my god. Okay, how do we hide that thing? What could it possibly be? I mean, we could just crop it out, but like that wouldn't really. Okay, we have to test something. Okay, if I type. Okay, if I type, then it does that, right? So if I could just crop it out. Maybe I'll make a duplicate of it and crop it out, because if it's a new thing, then I don't want to have to do this, but okay, if it's a new thing, then eventually someone will think of a workaround. Browser temporary cropped. Dude, this kind of sucks though. Alright, don't make it visible to start. It's just a copy paste, which should be fine to do that. Just have the same custom CSS. Oh no, because I made a new actually, what does it look like? Okay, this looks like this. So we need it to not look like that, because that sucks. So we're going to go to the properties of the custom CSS, all copy, okay. And then custom CSS, all paste, okay. What does it look like now? Now it looks like this. What is this, Raro? Why is there that space there? That space isn't over there. Dude, this thing sucks. Like, oh my god. All right, let's do some cropping now, I guess. Filters, effect filters, add crop. Sure. Bottom, let's try 200. No, way too much. 100? All right, let's try 150. That's also too much. Let's try 130. Oh, that's not bad. By 140. Okay, 140 is pretty good, I think. Okay. Yeah, 140 is fine. The text is the same size. Okay. Now how many pixels do we want it to go down and in? Okay, well, I kind of want 4 bars of text at a time. So let's do this. So that's 4 bars of text. Okay, now the things aren't showing up in the thing. Oh, now I have to change the cropping. Okay, bottom can't be that. Okay, 100? No. I mean, it does work, but I don't like it's too cut Alright, 80? No, there's too much of a bar at the bottom. What about 85? No. About 90. Okay, 90's good. And then the top, let's say, let's start with 500. Oh, that doesn't work. 300? 400. Okay, let's try 350. No, what about 380? A little bit too much. Let's go with 370. 370 works. I don't know how much I like it though. I mean, how much space does that give us? Like, no, I don't know the original amount, so I actually can't tell. Okay, and then. Oh wait, I just realized this isn't gonna. It's not gonna work properly like this because I need the width and height to be set to it, not the other way around. Oh, okay, so I can't use the filter at the start. So let's just remove the crop for a sec. Or we'll put it all at 0 for now. 0, 0. Okay, we need. Okay, now there's no space, which is kind of weird, but alright. Okay, so let's make it width 640, height 360. Width 640, height 360. Dude, like. Alright, so how much of the thing can we hide? 90? Let's try 90 again. 90? Was 90 good? I think 90 should be good. So let's say 90, right? And then we will also add 90 onto the 640 to make it 730. 730, and then why did that not work? Why didn't that work? Huh? Oh, that's width. Okay, that's why. Okay, so we're adding 90 onto the we're adding 90 onto the height, not width. I was doing the wrong number. Height. So it should be 450 then? 450? Okay. Alright. That looks pretty decent, I would say. I mean, it's... Do I want to have a temporary thing, though? Or do I just want to fix it? I kind of just want to fix it. Because, like, if I have to do that 90 thing every single time, that's gonna get old fast. And it's kind of gonna be a pain. Well, I mean, at least we know that it is, like, the same size now. At least approximately. Right, like it's not perfect. Hold on, why is this not centered? Is this off by something? Why is it off? Why does it look weird? Oh, never mind, it's fine. Is it fine? Maybe. I don't know, maybe the chair is off by 1 pixel or something. I don't know. Okay. Well, that doesn't really fix anything for us. Let's hide that for a sec. Let's also hide that for a sec. Let's try interacting with the browser again. Nope, nothing happens. Oh, the thing is still broken. Let's do the thing where we change the URL and change it back again. Please. Okay. Dude, this thing's weird. Another thing I want to do, I think I want to make the transparent part a little bit lighter. So how do we do that? It's not in filters. Wait, does browser one have the crop pad on it? Oh, the top and bottom are cropped by 1. That's interesting. Wait, why? Okay, top 1, bottom. I guess we can make 91. Yeah, and then that should even out. Okay, that's why. That's why. That's why it looked off. Okay, yeah, it was because of the top. The top had that little line under the thing that says top chat or whatever. And that wasn't, so it's cropped on the base one, but it wasn't cropped on this one yet. The new one yet. So now that makes sense, okay. All right, how do I fix this sign into chat thing? It's gotta be in custom CSS. I don't know coding is the thing. Also, where's the, okay, background color. Let's say, right now it's 0.5. What if we make it like 0.25? Is that, okay, that is what I wanted to kind of do. Does it make it visible over, okay, wait, yeah, that's perfect. I could actually probably go even higher than that, or lighter. All right, let's try it. Let's go with let's go with 0.1. All right, no, 0.1 is too scuffed, or too light. 0.2. It's visible, but doesn't look very good. All right, let's go with 0.25 again. 0.25. Okay, I kind of like the 0.25 more than the this one, because it makes the, like, whatever's behind it much more visible than this one. What am I moving? Oh, that's another chat box. Oh, what does this one look like? Oh, that's not what I meant to, I did not mean to type in that thing into the thingy. Hold on. Let's try browser 2 for a sec. Is this one gonna work? Yo, this one is the same. Why is it like that? Is that the one with text shadow? It's gotta be the one with text shadow. It's gotta be. Text shadow, yep. Alright, the one with text shadow is garbage. Do not want to be using that. I think I made it so that, yeah, I made it so that it can be put over a white background, but I don't think we're ever gonna really be using that. Like, if you look at the highlighted name, it looks off. All right, nah. Where did I have in scene 3 other text boxes? Where'd my other, what is browser 3 again? Oh, browser 3 is the one I made for smaller, like the Square game streams. That one's just like a longer chat than it is wide. Okay, I guess we have to add. Let's add browser temporary cropped. What is browser 4? Oh, browser 4 is probably for the probably for that other stream. Okay, this one I kind of want to. I mean, do I want to just do that? Not really. It's kind of boring. Actually, I guess I also don't need it to be. Wait, hold on, is it cropped there? Oh no, it's just because there's only 4 messages. Okay, that's fine then. Alright, let's hide browser 1 on here. Browser temporary cropped. That's not actually cropped, it's gonna be. Actually, well, no, yeah, because it's cropped. Alright, I can go there for now, I guess. Alright, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we didn't actually fix what we wanted to fix, which kind of sucks. Why is there a space there now? Oh my god, bro. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. It's so fine. Oh yeah, we can change this one as well now. Properties, let's change 0.5 to 0.25. Okay. Oh, that's why it's like that. Man, like, can it just work for once? Okay, let's do the thing where I add a letter to the link and then unadd it. And then does it fix it? Did that fix it? Please? No. All I did was change the 0.5 to... Okay, if I change it back to 0.5... Bro, oh my god. It's fine. It's fine. It's so fine. What about this scene? Yeah, it's all off. All of it is off, bro. Okay, what if I try... Dude, I can't do the sign-in thing again. What if I refresh it? Direct, no. Okay, what if I scroll down and refresh the cache of current page? Okay, wait, no, this one I have to fix again now because I tried to sign into it. Okay, I think that one worked. And then this one... Is it refresh cache of current page that fixes it? Wait, no. Okay, one of them worked, but then the other one didn't. Yo, why is it not going down? Now the entire thing's broken. Okay, hold on. If I press no access to OBS, then does it? Bro. Alright, read access to OBS status information. I don't know what that even means. Can you refresh cache of current page, please? Yo, this is not working out. I don't know why. I think browser 1, yeah, browser 1, the space is gone now, but this one is being very difficult, and I don't know why. If I can just get it to stay at the bottom, I'll be fine with it as is. I would be so fine with it if it would just stay at the bottom, but no. Bro, like... okay. Okay. Margin, what if we make the margin 1 pixel? What does that do? I have no idea what that does. I'm gonna put it back to 0. And we're gonna refresh it as well. It's still up for like no reason at all. Oh my god, bro. Why is it like this? Refresh, refresh, refresh. Refresh, refresh, refresh. That's not what the CSS is supposed to look like. Okay. This thing is broken. This one is fixed and broken at the same time, and this one is broken and fixed, but it's still broken. Why is it... Why is it like this? Filters, is the crop pad broken? No. 91. Bro, oh my. Okay, what if I try interacting with it? Is that gonna mess it up and then fix it? Why is it highlighted? Does that mean I can interact with the other one now? Okay, maybe I have to give it OBS access. Yo, there's no way. There's no way. Why is it like this? Is it? I don't get it. Do not get it. OBS, why do you not like to work? So, you know, if I could just get rid of it on one of them, then I wouldn't have to be fixing the other. But no. Oh my god. Yeah, I can only do this for so long, bro. What does local file even mean? I don't even know. Bro, I can't. This is just, if I get the thing to be cropped, then I'm just gonna pause it here. I'll just be done for now. Oh my god, it's still just like up like that. When like it just doesn't have to be. Can I refresh it? Can I refresh it again? Why does it have to be like this? Why? I keep changing the link and then it changes itself back like that. If I can just fix this one little tiny thing, then I can move on. Alright, let's try this again. We're going to pop out the chat. Going to copy. And then we're going to paste. Nothing. No, don't open YouTube Creator Studio on me, OBS. It's not what I'm asking of you. Did it sign in though? No, it still didn't sign in. Bro, like... Okay. What does this thing want me to do? Okay, this is clearly not working. Read access to OBS information, refresh cache. Please work, please. No! This is still where we're at. It's still not working. Okay, what if I type in the chat again? Okay, now it's fixed. Isn't that great? Alright, that's all for today. I've had enough of this nonsense. Okay. All we did was crop the thing out. Can you see the... Yeah, that's with it. This is the difference. I don't know if you can... All we did was literally just crop it, and that's it. We just cropped it. Yeah. Actually, does it? Oh, you know, I wouldn't even know if it lines up properly because the other thing's not even available. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's so fine. Yeah, that looks fine as well. Okay. Well, this thing kind of sucks. Okay, I also have to get rid of this thing. Where are we gonna put this? Put it like... What is this box? Is this... Oh, browser 2. Can I just banish all of my things I'm not using on there to some random scene? Can I make a scene 7 and just call it placeholder? No, I didn't mean to. Okay. Add scene, scene 7, parentheses, placeholder. Okay, let's put it under scene 6, classroom. No, okay, we're adding another. We're adding browser temporary cropped to this. Is that good enough? Probably. Okay. Yeah, I think the 0.25 I think definitely looks better than the 0.5. It just looks a lot cleaner. And it's easier to see. I think here is the best example because you can just see so clearly through it, but then you can still see it even on a white background. So I think 0.25 definitely works way better than 0.5. I should have switched to that a while ago, honestly. Okay, placeholder, let's add, okay, what do we want to put in the placeholder? Browser 3 and browser 2 we can both put there. Add source, browser, add browser 3, add, okay, we can hide it for now as well. Add browser 2. Okay, those are both added, so I can get rid of them on scene 1. Remove. What is this? Oh, that's my bar for be right back or whatever else. Actually, why is my thing so far in the corner? Oh, because I don't want it in the main screen. That's why. It's fine. All right. What else? Model 4? Is that one again? Forgot about that. Yeah, that can go to the placeholder realm. Was it image? Model 4? Yeah, we don't have to make that visible. Alright. Okay, model 4, see ya. You can stay in the placeholder scene. Why do I have 2 game captures and 2 window captures? Also, where's game capture 2? Is game capture 2 on scene 2? It is, that's why. Okay. Well, we don't really... Why do we have a game capture 3 then? Okay, let's put game capture 2 onto scene 1. Actually, do we need 2 game captures on one scene? Especially scene 1? Maybe not. It'll be fine. Okay. Game capture 2, window capture 2. I guess we can leave those on there. It's not gonna hurt anybody. You know, maybe we could just do 1 and 1. Because like if we do multiple things, then usually I'll pull it up on scene 2. Maybe we can get rid of window capture 2 and game capture 2 on scene 1. Do I have them on scene 2? Oh, I have a lot of things on scene 2. Yeah, we can. Okay, first let's set them all to Limbus because a lot of them are set to paint. Okay, text. What is this text? Wait, is this the white bar? It is. Okay. I mean that's fine, I guess. Actually, I don't really even use that on this scene. Browser is browser. Browser 2, we're keeping that on the other thing, so we don't have to keep that on here. Arrow 1. Arrow 1, I want to put this in the placeholder section. Arrow 1's getting put in placeholder realm. Add arrow 1. Okay, and then we can get rid of it from scene 2 for now, just to clear things up. Text, I mean, I feel like this white bar can also go to placeholder, low key. Add source, text, add existing, which one is it? Is it number 1? Oh, it is number 1, okay. Wait, how many do I have? Where are they? Because I don't know where most of them even are. Here's text 3. Low-key, why do I need 3 things of text? This is when the words are red, I think. Are they? Okay, yeah, okay. That's fine. I guess I can leave that there. But, the text thing, I mean, I use it sometimes, I guess. I feel like I should put it next to either text, though. Although maybe it should be above the chat. I guess I'll put the other one up as well. Although it does make sense to have it next to the model. So I don't know, at the same time. Scene 2... Why do I have so many models here? What's model 2 again? Oh yeah, that monstrosity. Model 3. Model 4, okay. The chair is the chair. What is chair 1, 2? Oh, okay. That we're probably gonna banish. Not gonna lie. Image? Oh, it's the background. Color gray. Color green. Okay. I don't know why I have color gray and color green over here. I think I can keep those in the placeholder realm as well. What is this? Oh, that's the background. Okay. Placeholder, we're gonna add image. Let's put model 2 and 3 there. Model 2, model 3. No, don't. I don't want to see that. That's why it's going to the recycling bin realm. Why is Olympus Company there? Oh, window capture is on. That's why. What is that? Did I mess up window capture? I think I might have messed up the window capture over here by changing it off of paint. I'll have to fix that next time then. It's unfortunate. Hold on, I kind of want to fix that now. Let's open paint for a sec to just make sure I didn't mess it up completely. Window capture, paint. Okay, no, it's still fine. Okay, that's all right then. Okay. Paint, we're closing now. All right. What else? Okay, scene 2 is where I need to remove model 2 and 3 from. Okay, remove. Model 4, remove as well. Chair 1, 2, we can also... Wait, we don't need that. We don't need to save it for anything. Color underscore gray. Do I need to save color underscore gray for anything? Probably not. Let's remove that. Color green. You know, well, just in case it's a specific color of green that past me had some reason for choosing, we'll save it in the placeholder. One sec. All right. Color green is now here. Here. Okay. So scene 2, we can remove it from there now. Okay, that's the background. That's the chair. It's model 1. The desk. Window capture. Oh wait, that's paint. Okay, maybe I shouldn't be messing with all that randomly. Browser is that. Browser temporary is this. Okay, so now we only have things that we're actually using. So hopefully OBS will break less frequently. Hopefully. Okay, well, actually we're not using text 3. Where are the other texts anyway? Are they in scene 4 and 5? Okay, these are a mess. These are a complete mess. I should just delete these. Genuinely. Scene 4. Yeah, no, they're getting deleted. Remove. No, not rename. Remove. Remove. Yes. Scene 4. You know, can I just take it out of the folder? Okay. Remove group underscore other. Remove group underscore background. Okay. Scene 3. What is it? What even is scene 3? Oh wait, hold on. Here's a bunch of text things. What did he say? Be right back. Getting food. Eating food. Live reaction. Okay, well this scene I think I can just get rid of low-key. I don't think I'm ever gonna need or use this scene ever again. Not gonna lie. Model. It's so scuffed. Like it's like all cropped or something. Chair. I mean. Okay, I need to rename my scenes. Okay, gameplay. Scene 2 is room. We're gonna rename scene 3 or maybe I should not have the word scene in every single scene. All right, rename. Okay, scene parentheses gameplay. Scene 2 parentheses room. I want this to be scene 3, so we're gonna name it scene. No, don't. Okay. Rename scene 3 parentheses board Okay, this, I don't know what this is gonna be yet. This I want to be scene 4. Actually, it's fine. Okay, this can be scene 4. Scene 4, parentheses, theater? I don't know. Looks like one. I think I was gonna do another stream with that, but didn't do it yet. Okay, we'll make this scene 5. Scene 5, cropped box for, cropped box. Okay, that is understandable of what it is. And then scene 7 we can now rename to scene 6 because we only have 6 total now because we got rid of one. I don't even remember which one. Oh, it was one that we are using currently. Okay, no. Scene 4 I want to be scene 6 because we might use it in the future, but the future isn't now, so cropped box is going to be number 4, and then placeholder is going to be number 5. So then this one has to be there. Okay, this is looking much more organized on my part now that everything's labeled. Well, some things are labeled. The texts are not labeled at all. Model 2 and 3 are still here as well for some reason. So Model 2, I feel like I made a fixed version of Model 2, but I don't know where exactly that is, the fixed version of Model 2. What did I just hide? The desk? Where's the desk? There it is. Okay. Well, the chat looks better now. Better than this thing. I think it also looks better with the 0.25 over the 0.5 by far, because it makes it so much easier to see things behind it. Because it was like a huge block, so now that's a lot better. Yeah. So that's good. And yeah. Okay, this text thing. Okay, where's browser temporary? Okay, that snaps to there. Not sure if that's a great spot for it though. Probably isn't. I have to rename this. I'm gonna rename this one to, no, not remove. No, don't remove it. Rename to parentheses bar. And then the other one, I want to be text 2. So where is text 2? It's in scene 4. What is this? Live reaction. Okay, well this is kind of not optimal at all. See, like, should I, like, if I kept a folder on scene 1, then I could have it, I could put, like, this stuff in a folder, and then I could just hide and show the folder, and then I wouldn't have to change to this scene to put on these text things, but I already don't really use them currently anyway. So I'm not really, why is color green visible in the background right now? Wait, what does that do? Was I chroma keying something? What am I chroma keying? The color green? It's not even being chroma keyed. Oh, I know what it was. I made the background green and then I chroma keyed it onto scene 1 That's what I was doing. Okay. That's why. That's why I can't see it, because it's chroma keyed. Okay, that makes sense then. So if I put it on the screen, then would it show a black background? I don't think I even tested it. I don't think I even need to chroma key it, to be honest. Wait, right? And then scene 1, it was chroma keyed when I had it on the, like when I added that scene onto the screen, I would chroma key it. That's what I was doing with it, I think. Oh, okay. Okay, this thing is kind of annoying. And this bar I really don't use often. I mean, I guess I use it for the BRB, but I feel like I need a different BRB thing as well. Can we add a text that says BRB? Actually, at that point, we should just remove the one on scene 4 or whatever. The one on the cropped box screen, this one. Like, all these are, like, not necessary. Because I just don't touch them. And live reaction, like, it's like, what am I going to do? 1 bit with that ever? Nah. Alright. Okay. Alright. I need to do my dailies. That is a lot of stuff. Should look. I could just do my dailies later. I mean, I'm already doing them though, so that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Might as well. Okay, so we kind of fixed the chat box a little bit, just a drop, just a tad, and yeah, it's the best we're gonna get from our chat box. So because I don't know how the CSS is gonna, cause like I couldn't find anything on it, and maybe it's a new thing where it's doing this to people. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Maybe it'll fix itself magically next time I try to stream. But yeah, for now it's just not really gonna cooperate. So I have to do this cropped method, which may or may not work. Right now it's, I mean, before it wasn't working and now it is working, so, and it should hopefully fix itself. And yeah, like if it ends up being where this browser does start to fix itself, then we can simply just re-show it, because it's not like we were deleting it, we're just having a temporary browser. So yeah. And then as for the transparent part of the chat, that I think looks a lot better now, being 0.25 instead of 0.5 as well. So that, I think, it just looks better in my opinion. It just looks a lot better. Yeah, I think the 0.25 is good. I think 0.2 is still a little bit too light. And then, but this is definitely like dark enough to see white text over it. So that definitely is good. And then obviously over a black background as well, it works too. So yeah, that's definitely it. Yeah, that's probably gonna be all for now. I'm just gonna wait for this daily to finish low key. But yeah. We may not have been able to figure out how to remove the sign-in thing, but we did figure out to crop it, which was honestly my initial idea. Because like cropping it is just the simplest way to just simply move it, as long as it wasn't covering up any of the chat. So, but like it would be nice to be able to actually like get rid of it straight up and then have the full thing be just the regular chat, just because. But it's good enough as is right now, so it's not like a huge issue or something. So yeah, it's fine right now. But yeah, that is going to be all for now. And yeah. Low-key, I need to do the I need to finish my railway run for the not the rewards, but the thing, because I got like 122 using a garbage team. So all I have to do is do one run like normally, and then I'll be able to have the banner or whatever from it. But yeah, all right. That's all for now. Yeah, all right. That was kind of mentally exhausting. I have to do other stuff now, so all right. See ya.